Okay, I welcome you to this episode of Physical Geography, where we are still on the multiple choice question relating to rocks. And remember that we were on the question 40. We reached on question 40, but today I come up with 8 questions. From question 1 up to question 47, but 48 it is for the question of true, the question that requires the answer of true or false. Let's start by the question 41. Which of those rocks is mostly likely to contain variable minerals like gold or copper? A. Metamorphic rock. B. Igneous rock. C. Sedimentary rock. D. All the above. So the correct answer is this one, because all types of rocks are likely to contain the variable minerals like that of gold and or copper. So therefore the correct answer is this one, or all the above, all the above, all the above are correct. Let's go to the question 42. The question 40 is asking, what is the main agents of chemical weathering? What is the main agents of chemical weathering? Just under, when you talk of chemical weathering, refer to the breaking down of rock into small particles due to the influence of water. This is A is ice, B winds, C rainwater, D heat from the sun. So the correct answer is C, because C is the most urgent, or rainwater is the most urgent, especially acidic rain. It is the most urgent of chemical weathering. Let's go to the question number 43. Match the rocks to its correct type. They give us different examples of rocks, but they want us to match which example to its correct type of rock. We have column A and column B. Column A, we have limestone, and just under, limestone, it's an example of sedimentary rock. So therefore, this A must correspond to these two. We go to slate. Slates an examples of metamorphic rock. B with 3. We go to the C, granite. Granite is an example of igneous rock. Therefore, it has to be corresponded with 1. So therefore, this question was very easy and clear to attempt and pass. We reach on the question 44. Match the rocks to its common uses. We have different examples of rock and we have their uses. Marble, it is for sculpture. It is for sculpture and tiles. So therefore, A match with 1. Then you go to granite. It is used for building of countertops. We reach on the question C. We reach on the C, limestone. It is used for making cement and even it is used in construction. Let's go to the question number 45. The question 45 is asking, match the formation processes with rock types. They give us different meaning or different formation processes they want us to match with the correct rock type. A, the cooling and solidification of magma. So this cooling and solidification of magma, it is relating to igneous rock. So therefore, A must be related with 3. We reach on B, layers of sediments are compacted. Therefore, sedimentary rock. We reach on heat and pressure applied. So when heat and pressure applied to the pre-existing rock type or sedimentary rock or igneous rock, this will lead to the formation of metamorphic rock. So therefore, C is corresponding with 2 which is metamorphic rock. Let's go to the question number 46. The question number 46 is asking, what is the processes called when sediments are dropped or settled out of the water or wind? So A, cementation, B, deposition, C, compaction, D, melting. So the correct answer is deposition, because deposition, it is the sediments when are dropped or settled out of the water or out of wind, so such is a deposition. We go to the question number 47. Which of the following igneous rock has a grassy appearance or forms from rapidly cooled lava? A, basalt, B, granite, B, obsidian, C, granite, D, rhyolite. So the correct answer is B. It is obsidian. It is obsidian. Let's go to the question 48. And remember that we have said that all those questions from question 41 up to question 47 are multiple choice questions. But that one of 48, it is for true or false. True or false, multiple, no, not multiple choice, but it is to answer true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. Let's look at the question 48. The question 48, answer true or false. They give us different questions, but they want us to answer whether the statement is correct for true and the statement is wrong for false. All rocks are made from minerals. The question is asking, all rocks are made from minerals. True. All rocks are made from minerals. So therefore the answer is true. We go to B. Sedimentary rocks are formed from cooled magma. This statement is wrong. So therefore it is false. Because rocks that are formed from cooled magma are called igneous rock. We reach on C. Igneous rock can become metamorphic rock under heat and pressure. Correct? Yeah, it is true. Because some igneous rock can undergo metamorphism processes and become metamorphic rock. We go to D. Granite, it is an example of sedimentary rock. False. Granite is not an example of sedimentary rock, but an example of igneous rock. We reach on E. Metamorphic rock are formed from the existing rocks that undergoes change due to heat and pressure. True. The answer is correct. True. This statement is correct. Fossils are commonly found in metamorphic rock. False. Fossils are only found in sedimentary rock. We reach on G. Obsidian is a type of volcanic grass. Correct. So therefore the answer is true. We reach on H. Rock can only be one type and cannot change. This statement is wrong. So a rock cannot be only one type. It can also change. So therefore this statement is wrong. False. Remember that in the rock cycle, we say a rock cycle is a relationship in which one type of rock can change to another type of rock. So therefore this statement is fighting against the meaning of the rock cycle. Limestone can turn into marble. True. A rock cycle has no end or beginning. False. Metamorphic rocks always have fossils. False. Rocks are classified based on how they form. Correct. The answer is true. As we said in the previous episode, rocks are formed or are classified according to their mode of formation, which is relating to this one. I think those answers are very clear and easy to understand from A to error to error. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like,